Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. The next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos. Y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Next up is a place that's always ahead of the curve. And not just because we're on the straight of
Go ahead and sit down while the train's moving.
Tomorrowland.
I've never heard him say it like that.
Oh, that's so cute.
There you go.
Did you see this?
How slow it's taking off. There's the Tron. Ron sign. That thing's been sitting there since 2018. Hey, Christmas trees.
As soon as I saw that, I'm like, oh my God, it's Alice. So I said
Welcome aboard, folk. As you know, I love this railroad about as much as a songbird loves the morning. But I'm still awed by the rockets and Spaceport 75. The technology that
Oh, they took them over.
Users detected an upload conflict area. Scanning.
I didn't realize it was dark.
Calculating. Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required.
It would be really cool if the trains went by right now. I mean, if one of the cars went by for testing. That would
Right?
really be cool.
Just space mountain. They're painting up there. See? Wow, look how dirty that is.
so simple once you hear it, right? Yes, sirree, in this place of boundless optimism, the possibilities are endless. You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
This is where I'm staying tonight. It has the big chair that pulls out.
Now, if you're bored, our trip around the Magic Kingdom is almost complete.
Aladdin and
I
Jasmine.
can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated being a part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main Street, USA. A place where the only thing sweeter than the townsfolk is the treats. After our stop, we'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so new passengers can safely hop
How
aboard.
dark it is over there.
As we arrive into the station, folks, please remain fully seated, keeping all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. When it is safe to disembark, our engineer in the front will deliver one single whistle, and I will say the two magical words of all clear. But until that moment, please do remain fully seated and fully aboard the train.
We're going to.
This is, you guys are wondering, somebody's talking about pyrotechnics.
All clear. It is now safe to disembark. Be sure to lower your head and watch your steps and your foot. Welcome to Main Street, USA. If you're exiting with a stroller, please do not open it on the platform. Go ahead and carry it all the way beyond the exit gates prior to opening again.
Are we getting off or are we staying on? We're going to adventure.
Frontierland for Splash.
Frontierland is next.
Frontierland.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's like one of my favorites.
Yeah.
Like, they're the same shell.
I don't know how long.
One is
I don't know how long the queue is. She's,
canister shell.
I don't want to say it on the camera, but
They were both 5-inch.
so I guess when we first came in, you guys were here. You guys were right here. We were down over there. So
Yeah, we were right in the center, that circle.
right.
We were right in center Main Street.
Yeah, you know where Dave Thomas is. Everybody's else is going to be here trying to write
This is the thing, I can't pause it right now. So when they see it live, it's gonna be more like a live vlog.
Do you want to use my phone for Facebook at all?
As somebody who loves
No. If I need something posted, she's gonna post stuff for me. I probably will send people PMs. Can you post this for me? You all right?
You're off file.
Maybe I'll try that sometime.
We never ever went to They actually, like, growing up, they really just started with the booths and everything a few years ago. And even for, like, Flower and Garden, they would have the Flower and Garden Festival and there would be sales and stuff set up. But, like, they know the food. They used to put the food up for the food line and then they would take the booths down. So they would set up a few things so that now they leave those things up there. I did it, might as well.
Yeah, I don't know what I want to do. I want to get something to eat.
So do I.
Okay. Hamburger?
Oh no, but I meant there's a 5 that you can get something like that.
Oh,
Yes, so we got 2 of the 5, and then there were 2 that were like.
I don't know.
Who has hamburgers?
You guys pick wherever you can eat.
Well, they have them in
And then I forgot what the other
fantasy.
one was a scout.
But,
I was like, which means you have to do the other 5.
no, I don't know.
I tried.
the
I think Casey's has just.
Yeah, because I haven't had anything since this morning, like at 7:30.
I do like the corn dogs there.
But we had like 10 had the plain one, and Joanne and I shared.
You guys ever watch Tim Tracker?
Like the plain one better.
He's
Seen them, but
he's gonna get to 1 million subscribers before anybody else. I'll tell you right. He's been doing this since 2009.
Let's make 450,000 a year.
He used to have. Everybody knew him because of handlebar mustache. He used to have.
Oh, I didn't have that.
They're having another baby. They did have another baby, and they're having another.
Especially on tonight.
Yeah, she's pregnant. I hadn't been following them for a while. All of a sudden, I seen Adam the Woo with a picture of him, and next thing you know, I was like, oh my God, she's pregnant.
I've never actually seen Fantastic.
Yes, to any future watchers of this this live stream vlog. That's what I'm going to call these, live stream vlogs. Hey, look at the monorail. That's the gold one.
That's a nice 50th wrap they have on that.
Yeah. That makes sense too. Should only be on the gold one because the 50th anniversary gold. Oh, here we go.
Welcome aboard.
The yellow,
folks.
that's a boat.
We're beginning a grand circle
That's the top of a boat.
Magic Kingdom. It stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're currently departing Main Street Station. And if you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Friends, I'm so delighted you've joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am.
What's that?
So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. See what I mean? Hope you packed a compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland.
Oh, that's so much better.
Now, if you're more the rootin' tootin' type, then partner, saddle up, because this here's Frontierland. Home to cowpokes, campfires, and country bears. This outpost is full of tall tales and even taller mountains. Yonder is Big Thunder Mountain and its runaway mine trains. While just ahead is Splash Mountain, where you'll find Brer Rabbit in his laughing place. Be sure to say hi. Those critters love when folks drop in.
Out there. You go straight down this way.
We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we come to a
There we go.
If you disembark, please carry your stores all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop, and we say those words all clear.
Are we gonna
So
get
then
up here or wait
please
to go?
remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete stop.
Because next stop is the Fantasyland
Once
where we
again,
got
please
on.
remain seated.
But we can still see the stuff in back.
So that's fine. We can walk from over there over here.
Okay,
You're all
alright.
clear to disembark. Welcome to Frontierland. Our next
We're gonna
stop
get
is
out with the-
Fantasyland
Yeah,
Storybook
we get on.
Circus.
Yeah.
We're gonna get out too.
Let me, ladies, these guys want to get off. What do you want to do?
You're going to Splash, aren't you? Now you're gonna get off then, right? Right here.
He said he wanted to do the full loop.
Oh, you want to do the full
We'll just walk
If you
over
guys want to
from-
get
No,
off.
we don't. We're not doing anything. We'll do the full loop.
Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to.
Yeah, we'll come back.
Yes, I'm hungry too.
I thought you
I
had
wanted
to
to
get
do the
this
full loop
Splash.
too.
Yeah, we'll do
Yeah.
that.
That makes sense.
Maybe I did it 30 years ago or 20 years ago.
We'll get to see
How long the train was closed? How
There's
long
so
was
many
this closed?
no, and you know what?
4 years. What?
That's Josh.
Where?
That's Josh right there. In the gray?
I'm looking for people in gray.
When the text pops up,
By the fence or
The baseball cap?
That's Josh.
It's a gimbal.
Josh.
and then come back in and make sure that it doesn't disappear. I've had to do
No
this
Jenna's with them?
There's no. Jenna was by herself the other night. He was stuck at
It's been a
school.
while, but I hung out with Josh on a couple of his streams. It's been a long time. Yeah, everybody is. That's what we're doing too.
It's 120 minutes.
We looked at DAS pass. Yeah. Wow, look at that. I seriously, I
It's all the
would.
way up that way. If you look back in there, everybody's queued up over there.
I bet it's going down to Country Bears.
Yep.
I'm gonna miss this. I'm gonna miss this. I really don't care for the new one coming in.
Well, you can always go to Disneyland. They don't have a closing day for that.
That's weird. I thought they would close before us because they're so happy because she's part of like
Yeah.
the New Orleans thing and
Yeah, they have that whole New Orleans area there. Yeah, no, I get that. But
somebody came up with an idea. Why don't they just make it a restaurant and put it over on Tom Sawyer Island? That was an idea
I
from
mean,
somebody.
the better idea is just get rid of all the consoles. Put a whole bunch of other stuff there.
Yeah.
I mean, if you really think about it, how much space is that? The problem is the water. They use that as a runoff.
You could make one ride in there. Just the only problem is where they put it. You can't put a bridge because of Liberty Bell.
You'd have to get rid of that.
Yeah.
Disney World?
Oh, he's not trying. He's just busy. They got a lot of great.
What time is it? I don't.
Do you have an extra power? Oh, you have a extra power on there. You need to plug in. Like this is plugged into the power supply.
Yeah.
How do you get your gimbal mount to it?
This wire and this wire is really flimsy.
I tried it
Yeah.
today, and mine was like one, boom.
Yeah.
You know, it
So
was.
if you can see, it's fine right now. And
Yeah.
what I do is you gotta get a lot of extra slack. You gotta make sure this wire is flexible. Because I have.
He's
this
not
other
having problems like I did today. He
No,
has
I
the
can
same
still-
setup.
But if you can see, I have rubber bands holding it here.
Yeah.
Because if the wires hit,
Oh, wait a minute, you attached it on the actual actuator above the gimbal.
No.
Yeah,
It's right here.
he's attached above the head.
No. The head's here. What do you
Oh,
mean?
yeah, oh, okay, oh, yeah, it's a different
Yes, to the
gimbal.
third car, please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train at all times, please.
I had mine the same way.
Well, you know
and
what?
My
You know what she
camera,
did?
Yes, to
You know
the
what she
third
did
car,
do?
please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the train at all times, please.
She didn't reset it and then plug it in on the bottom and then turn the gimbal on.
Do you have to
Howdy,
do that?
folks.
No,
If you're
you
just
can
joining
plug it
us,
in
a
while it's
hearty
first
welcome
oil.
aboard.
yeah, I do.
We're heading for our next
What I
stop,
do though, when I have like
Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street,
Do you
USA.
have any way that
Everybody
you
stay
lock
seated
this?
and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit
Mine will do that too.
wilder, Big
Yeah,
Thunder
so
Mountain
right now it won't
Place
because there's no
is
weight.
there. The trains
The
have a
wire is
mind
so
of
bad
their
that it's
own.
weight effective. But if I were to like not have to run bands on
I
it,
put electrical tape around
Is it up? I haven't seen any cars. Oh, there
Yes,
go.
in the third car, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs inside the train at all times, please.
The change in scenery means we've left the rattle and rumble of that old gold
at that,
mine
Jennifer. Look what he
behind
did.
and entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness, calm waters, and untamed beauty. Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see and do in these woods. Hiking trails, bird calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise. Telling the tale around a campfire.
Come on, guys.
Considering how wonderful things are.
yeah.
Fortunate that some of my
Disney
closest
World.
friends call it home.
Disney Worlders.
Tell them Dan from Disney World.
Truly
I'm
special.
not part of it.
Oh,
I'm not on the go.
No. Park hoppers are in his chat.
Yeah, we're watching right now.
oh, you know what I was thinking?
It's not me, James. It's not the third car me. It's somebody else.
Bright.
It's like multiple times.
Have you ever heard of Pete McDevitt?
Yeah, of course.
Have you talked to Pete?
Folks, we're just about
Have you ever talked to Pete?
He emails me often.
The
How many
enchanted
subscribers
forest
do you
of
have?
Fantasyland,
Just rolled 6
where
dice.
magic.
Good for you.
We did
No.
it 2 days ago.
Huh?
2
Hear
days ago.
that?
Nice. She just hit 1,000 yesterday.
That is the hardest one.
I know.
I've been
first
trying to get.
100?
I've been trying to get to that.
The first
I don't.
100.
I've been out the whole year. So I was sick last year, so I never got to come to the park. And the only thing I want to do is parks. I don't want to do anything outside. That's me though.
Don't you have like 25,000?
20,000, but that's on a Facebook group.
Yeah, but just tell them to go on and...
I have.
Oh.
I have. You can't make people do it that they don't. Some people don't like. They don't like streamers. They don't like vloggers. They just don't like them. You've heard the people. They're like, "Oh, he's walked in my way. I'm glad he's not around." I'm
Magic
like,
and happily ever afters await around
So,
every
hold on.
corner in Fantasyland.
This is too stiff.
Friends, travelers, children of all ages, we're
So
coming
he said
down
my
the track
cable's
and headed
You
straight
gotta find like
for
a
Tiger
really
cable
the
one.
sensational, the
Get the lightest
spectacular,
cable.
Yeah, that's what this is.
storybooks.
I gotta get the lightest cable. That cable you have is heavy.
This is the place to soar with Dumbo or join Goofy in his stunt play
Another
muscle
bridge.
airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland and
So, see this cable?
Now, Please wait until the train has come to a complete
So I use this battery.
Gather your juggling pins.
Oh wow.
This one I use.
That's where they park the train.
What I'm talking about.
Run.
That way we can start loading up.
They back the trains up. They'll park them over there.
For those disembarking, please watch your step. Thanks for traveling with us. I hope you'll join us again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is Main Street Station.
Please remain seated till the train comes to a full and complete stop, and we say those words all clear. Till then, please remain seated until the train comes to a full and complete